So, hello, dear YouTube family. I hope you all are doing great and you all are learning this language in a fantastic way. So, friend, this is me, Anamika, and this is my YouTube channel, Anamika Win 21. So, friend, first I would like to say to all of you, thank you very much from bottom of my heart because I got 1000 subscriber. It is big achievement for me, and because of you all guys I got 1000 subscriber. Thank you very much and keep supporting. So friend, you all know that I have a keep challenge 1 to 30 days that I don't skip any day. I will practice every day. So friend, you all know that this is my day of 11th of speaking challenge, and I am very happy because I never thought that very soon I will got 1000 subscriber. So friend, today I am going to put the cat out of the cat. Put the cat out of the cat. It means रहस्य खोलना. Today I will put the cat out of the cat about English language, that how I used to do practice and in which book I used to do practice. So friend, today I am going to show you my book because I used to do practice with that book, and it is very precious book for me, and I like to show you all so that you can practice too like me. So friend, you can see this is my book, and I got this book 2020. I think I got this book 2003. And friend, I keep this book even today because I like to read this book really. And I will show you here are many in this book. There are many stories so that you can speak English, and so that you can I think get easily if you are beginner. So this book I think only for beginner because you can read and you can write and you can practice because of this book. So friend, I will show you some stories here are present in this book. I am going to show you. Wait just a minute. So friend, as you can see, there are many daily, like some important sentence translation into English. Like if we want to, like it means which sentence we speak in our daily life, so we can use. But I just want to ask to all of you that do you think that you will learn all the sentences you can learn? According to me, it is not possible. So don't try to learn all the sentences. Try to learn first tense, and then you will able to make sentence, and then you haven't need to learn sentences, because this is Herculean task for everyone. It is tough for everyone. So it's my opinion. I want to keep here front of you all. Don't learn all the things, because it will be one day you will forget, I think. But if you know that how to make the sentence, if you know very well that what is tense, so you can make sentence in a proper way. So I want to suggest you, don't waste your time. Try to read books and try to read stories so that you can imbibe in your life. Imbibe, it means not only listen. Try to imbibe मीन्स अपने जीवन में उतारना. Try to imbibe in your life. अपने जीवन में उतारने की कोशिश कीजिए, क्योंकि फ्रेंड, बिकॉज फ्रेंड, I am your English trainer, and I have faced lots of problem while learning this language, and I don't want to मैं आप लोगों को भी उस प्रॉब्लम में नहीं डालना चाहती. सो ट्राई टू लर्न लाइक मी, because it is not Herculean task. It is easy for everyone. If you think, if you taking like stress because of this language, so don't take stress. You can speak, but you will have to keep patience. So friend, keep patience. One day definitely you will speak. So friend, you can see there are essay like about cow, about lion. I will read it. Like, listen careful. The cow has 4 legs. She has 2 horns, 2 ears, and 2 eyes. She has 4 hooves. Her hooves are cloven. She has a long tail. She is nearly found in all part of the world. She is of different colors. The cow eats grass, straw, hay, and oil cakes. She gives us milk, curd, butter, ghee, and sweets are prepared from her milk. She gives us calves. They plow our field and draw carts. Her dog is used for fuel and manure. She is very gentle and useful. Hindus called her Gau Mata. Like this, you can read. You can see this is my very old book, and I like to read it. Why I read this story, this essay? Because you should do like me, and then don't try to learn all the thing. Try to use in your life, because if you will use this sentence every day, so you will never forget. But if you will not use, so definitely one day you will forget. Like, if I teach to you anything, like I teach to you about the introduction, that how to give your introduction, and then what you all do, you did, like you all did, you kept your notebook in your bag, and then you never open. So will you remember that? No. So try to use in your daily life, because this is spoken, and here you will have to speak. Without speaking, it will not possible for you. So you will have to speak. And now friend, you can see that I have improved my English, and I can speak front of you all without hesitation. And nowadays, day by day, I am improving my English, and I know ups and downs come in everyone's life, but we should follow our passion, because I love English language, and I want to speak with fluently, and I want to talk foreigners. I want to go other country. So that is the good language for us. And I am not saying Hindi is not important, both are important. English we can learn, because of English we can get better job, and we can get respect. Because of Hindi, every people will know that we are Indian. So there are many difference, and because of English you can go anywhere, and you can learn many things from other countries. So this is profit for us. So friend, I hope this video is very useful for you all. If you think that this video is informative for you all, so must subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you very much. Keep watching, and I will meet you tomorrow with another topic. Thank you.